Hello, everybody. It's me, Patrick Calcapretta, and today we will celebrate 2 years for now. And today we will be the greatest celebration cake in 4 years from now. But it's all greatest of all time. And today we will going in the future and then hold technology, and then we will make a population for tonight, and we will be celebrating the future. Biodynamics Money was invented in September 2018, and we will be going an all time. We will make introduce a new character in all species. Then visitor and a special guest will appear on show. We will be protect against the enemy, and we will be the greatest. And our territory is a god amongst men. No unconquered, no corruption. It's no bankruptcy. And today, please remember, and all celebrate this in all the kinds. But we will be celebrated in all the kind in all TV show. But today, and we will be now soon, we will be the greatest of all time. And then we will build our headquarters in 2020s, and we will be on all the kindness and the love. We will be the tested, and then all of them will be tested. Are doing. Our enemies is so strong. Don't worry, the allies are strong. We are strong too. But we will be understood that for my speech. But the greatest of all time, and all kindness. We will build the amusement part of ours. But the testimony is the great of all time, and then all character will appear very, very soon. Sooner and end destroyed the enemy and forgotten.